Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Elisa. Today I would like to share with you one of the most accessible techniques of pranayama or breathing techniques in yoga, which is the abdominal breathing technique. Now, accessible doesn't necessarily mean easy. In fact, if you're not used to breathing in this way, it might take a little while to get adjusted to it. However, there are many benefits to it, and the exercise itself is easy after all. Let's begin by identifying how you breathe. I would like you to place one hand on the stomach and one on the chest. And as we take a deep breath in, I would like you to identify which hand moves for you. So inhale and exhale. Most likely the hand that moved for you was the one on the chest. This is very common, especially in adults, especially in women. However, it is a very shallow way of breathing, which can lead to a few issues. When we're breathing through our chest, we tend to take short, shallow, quick breaths. This means that we're left feeling moody, anxious, angry, and we don't give our body enough time to absorb the oxygen or even get enough oxygen in the first place, which means that we feel tired and sleepy, and we need a lot of coffee to get through the day. Breathing through the abdomen, on the other hand, means that we give our lungs more space to expand, more time to absorb this oxygen that we're taking in. It means that we are able to regulate our heartbeat and our heart pressure, our blood pressure. We will be absorbing more oxygen, using less energy, and we will be able to guide our nervous system. Normally, it is the nervous system that guides the breath. This means that the depth and the speed of our breathing depends on external factors such as exercise or a strong emotion, or maybe we're feeling pain or any other physical sensation. Therefore, if we change the pattern of our breathing, we're easily able to induce a chosen state of mind. This means that, for example, if we're feeling anxious, we can easily induce a state of calmness instead. So here's how abdominal breathing works, very briefly. We're using the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle placed at the bottom of the lungs. So when we are inhaling, this muscle is flattening and pushing down on our internal organs, making space for the lungs. And when we're exhaling, it springs back to its original shape, releasing the pressure on our organs and helping the lungs to push air out. So let's try it together. In this exercise, I would advise you, especially if you're a beginner, you're not used to breathing through your abdomen or you're finding it hard, to lay down on your back in Shavasana or corpse pose. You can lay down on the floor or on your bed. If you're already kind of used to it, then go ahead and just find a comfortable seated position, again either on the floor or on a chair. Just make sure that your back is straight, your shoulders and your neck are relaxed, and you're good to go. Please, during this exercise, only breathe in and out through the nose. Let's begin with some breath awareness. If you're lying down on your back, separate your legs slightly Your arms are along your sides, slightly away from your body, palms facing up. Soften the shoulders. Soften your jaw. Maybe hint to a smile to soften the muscles of the face. Slowly turn your head to the right, then to the left, and then back to center. Become aware of the natural breath. Do not try to change your breathing pattern. Just become aware of the natural flow of your breath. Observe this process that has been happening your whole life and that has always been taken for granted. Again, do not interfere with your natural rhythm. Simply witness each breath. Become increasingly conscious of the breath and let yourself relax into its continual flow. Now, I would like you to observe and analyze your breath. Is it fast or slow? Shallow or deep? Regular or irregular? Is there any gap in between breaths? Are you sometimes gasping for breath? Do not control your breath in any way. Just make a mental note of how you are breathing. Say to yourself mentally, I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. Let's do this exercise for 5 breaths. Remember, the object is not to reach 0, but to keep your awareness fixed on every breath. Each number must register in your conscious awareness. I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. 5. I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. 4. I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. 3. I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. 2. I am aware that I am breathing in. I am aware that I am breathing out. 1. Now we will move to abdominal breathing. I would like you to visualize your diaphragm as a sheet of muscle beneath the lungs. You can focus your awareness on the bottom of the sternum. While breathing in, visualize the dome-shaped sheet of muscle flattening and pushing down onto the abdominal organs below it, while the breath is being drawn into the lungs. While breathing out, the diaphragm relaxes. Visualize it moving upwards again, resuming its normal shape, positioned beneath the sternum, pushing the air out of the lungs and releasing the pressure on the abdominal organs. Increase the awareness of this movement and feel how its rhythmic motion produces spontaneous abdominal breathing. Remember, diaphragmatic breathing is not produced by the abdominal muscles. The movement of the diaphragm should feel natural and comfortable. If there is any tension, allow it to melt away. When you're ready, place your right hand on the abdomen, just above the navel, and the left hand over the center of the chest. If you are correctly breathing through your abdomen, you will feel your right hand moving up with each inhalation and down with each exhalation. The left hand stays still. If you feel your abdomen being drawn in as you inhale, or your left hand moving, this means you are still breathing with your chest. Keep breathing through your abdomen for just a few more moments. Again, there should be no tension in the abdomen. However, if you are completely new to this, you may need to force the movement a little since you are retraining your body. Just make sure you're not overexerting yourself. I would like you to continue for 5 more breaths. When you reach 0, you can end the practice. Slowly abandon the awareness of the breath and become aware of the body. If you are laying down, you can bring your arms over your head and stretch your whole body for a moment. Then bring the arms down, roll to one side, and gently sit up. Then, with a few gentle blinks, you can open your eyes. Alright, so that was the exercise. I hope you found that helpful. If you practice this even just 10 minutes before meditation or before going to bed, you will see very good results. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Om Shanti.